Hey, what's up, family? How are you? This is Pratap Singh, and you are watching India Long Trading HFX, my YouTube channel. Many people getting difficulty to install MT4 and MT5. That is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But I have a solution for you that you can again install that application if you already installed that previously. So, without anything, let's start.
So first of all, you have to search App Store. After that, go to your profile and then go to purchase option. You can see all the application you already purchased or installed. So search MetaTrader 4. So you can see MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is working on iOS, is working on iPhone, right? It can work on your iOS devices also. So as it is opening, I open MT4. It is working very properly, all the trades. So really, MT4 is working again on iOS.
If you really get the benefit from the video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and comment in the section, did you get some help from this? And if you get any difficulty, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Keep sharing the video with all your friends who are getting the difficulty. Let's trade and earn dollars from the market. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.